Hi, this is Mardy once again and welcome to my channel. Victoria Bello is a Filipina doctor, entrepreneur, and media personality. Victoria G. Bello was born on January 25, 1956 in Cebu, Philippines. She was adopted by the family of attorney Enrique Bello. Vicky spent her formative years in Manila. If you are new to my YouTube channel, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. At para updated kayo sa mga susunod kong videos, please click the bell notification below. At sana po, don't skip the ads and please watch until the end of my video. Nakatanggap si Bello ng degree sa psychology mula sa Universidad ng Pilipinas. Nagtapos siya ng Doctor of Medicine degree mula sa Universidad ng Santo Tomas. Nakuha pa niya ang kanyang dermatology diploma mula sa Institute of Dermatology sa Bangkok, Thailand. She began her medical practice in 1990. Alongside this work, she is also a frequent speaker and guest lecturer in organizations in the Philippines and internationally, such as the International Society of Cosmetic Laser Surgeons in Washington, D.C., the American Society of Dermatologic Surgery in Portland, Oregon, and the World Congress in Liposuction Surgery in Pasadena, California. Si Dr. Victoria G. Bello, ang founder, CEO at medical director ng Bello Medical Group, ay isa sa mga nangungunang aesthetic practitioner sa industriya. Ang beauty leader na nakakuha ng kanyang degree sa dermatology mula sa Institute of Dermatology sa Bangkok, Thailand, ay nagturo sa kanyang kumpanya sa pinakamataas na ranggo ng industriya. Tinulungan itong maging ang tanging klinika sa Pilipinas na tumanggap ng international na akreditasyon mula sa National Accreditation Board of Hospitals and Healthcare Providers in 2013 and 2016. Bello is the CEO and Medical Director of the Bello Medical Group, which owns and operates 15 medical clinics and surgery centers in the Philippines, in Metro Manila, Cebu City, Pampanga, and Davao City. The Bello Medical Group is the first accredited ambulatory cosmetic surgery center in the Philippines, certified by the Philippine Department of Health and endorsed by the Philippine Department of Tourism. Noong 2023, ipinakita ng grupo ang kahusayan nito sa aesthetic science na may dalawang co-authored na papel na ipinakita sa International Master Course on Aging Science, World Congress sa Palais des Congrès sa Paris, France, na muling nagpapatunay kung bakit ito ang pinakamahusay sa mundo. Bello was married to businessman and NU107 founder Atom Henares, but the couple divorced. They had 2 children, Quark Henares, film and music video director, and Cristal Henares Pitt, managing director of Bello Essentials. She is the adopted daughter of former Philippine congressman and 1971 Philippine Constitutional Convention delegate Enrique Bello. She married Hayden Ko in Paris in 2017. The couple had a daughter in 2015. Thank you very much for watching. And according to Audrey Hepburn, nothing is impossible. The word itself says, I'm possible.